Nike Total 90 Premium brings back the legendary early 2000s Total 90 series with a fresh, modern twist, blending nostalgia with updated design for today's sneaker fans. Featuring a soft off-white upper layered with pale silver, pink, and hints of green, the shoe creates a smooth, color-shifting glow that enhances its three-dimensional panels and clean stitching. Its bold 90 circular graphic on the upper and heel adds iconic identity, standing out against the gentle tones. A sharp mini swoosh and Total 93 branding complete the heritage look. Designed with a pale midsole and mint-tinted outsole, the sneaker offers both visual rhythm and functional footing support. This PRM version keeps the powerful structure of the original while presenting it in a softer, more refined aesthetic. Perfect for YouTube sneaker viewers searching for Nike Retros, Total 90 Comeback, and 2025 must-have releases, this model blends street style, history, and modern expression in one standout pair.